Arduino to build a wireless notice board. Let's get started with the main construction part. Let's connect the breadboard to the 5 volts pin and ground of Arduino with jumper wires. Connect the Bluetooth module to the breadboard VCC and ground. Wire the RX and TX of Bluetooth module to TX and RX of Arduino. Let's connect the LCD to the Arduino. PIN1 to ground. PIN2 to positive supply. PIN3 to middle pin of variable resistor. Connect pin 1 of VR to positive and pin 3 of VR to ground. PIN4 to PIN5 of Arduino. PIN5 to PIN4 of Arduino. PIN6 to PIN3 of Arduino. PIN11 to A5 of Arduino. PIN12 to A4 of Arduino. PIN13 to A3 of Arduino. PIN14 to A2 of Arduino. PIN15 to A1 of Arduino. Pin 16 to a 1K resistor connected to ground. Please check the connections carefully and upload the code to the Arduino. Let's power up the Arduino with a 9 volts battery to get started. Follow the steps to successfully pair the system. Turn on Bluetooth and pair with HC05. If a password is needed, use 1234. Turn on the application, click the refresh button. Select HC05 to connect. Select terminal. Type a message and send to receive it in the display. Type 1 to reset the screen and turn on backlight. Type 2 to reset the screen and turn off the system. We recommend this flow. Send 1, then type messages. If you have completed, send 2 to terminate the system. Hopefully, you enjoyed building your very own wireless notice board. You can put it in an enclosure and wall mount it. The battery will ensure that you don't need a USB cable to power up your system. Follow us to check our upcoming videos, where we add some more upgrades and help you to make more 5-minute maker hack videos. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get great content regularly.